Hi friends, welcome to IMIND.AutoCAD. In today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. But before we start with the project, we'll first spend some time in studying this drawing and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After observing this drawing, I feel that the best starting point would be the center point of this circle. So I'll use the center point of this circle and for drawing this innermost circle which is of 20 diameter. After drawing the innermost circle, then we'll draw this circle which is of radius 15 and finally this circle of radius 20. Then we'll copy all these three circles. Center to center distance is 65. Then we'll draw one reference line from the center of this circle to the center of this circle. And from the midpoint of that line, I'll draw one line downwards at a distance of 65 units. Then I'll copy the three circles over here. Then I'll erase the referential lines. Then I will draw one line which would be quadrantial to this circle, quadrantial to this circle, tangential to this, and finally tangential to this and tangential to this. I'll trim off the extra blank circles at the three edges. Then I'll fillet this inner circle with the radius 30, another fillet over here and another fillet over here. Then I'll put the three center marks and finish it with dimensioning. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drawing. So I'll first select center diameter and I'll begin this diametric circle of 20 dia. You can see 20 dia, three circles. So I'll use this as the tracking point and come somewhere over here and give the diameter as 20 and hit enter. Then I will draw another circle of radius 15. So I'll select circle, center radius, the same center point, and the radius would be 15. Finally, I will draw the outer circle which would be of radius 20. So same center point and the radius is 20 and hit enter. So we'll select circle, center radius, same center point and radius is 20 and hit enter. Now we'll copy these three circles. So we'll select the three circles, CO for copy, and the base point would be the center point of these circles. And we'll go to the right, turning the ortho on at a distance of 65 units and hit enter. Then I'll press escape to end the copy command. Then I'll use the line command and draw one line from the center of this circle to the center of this circle. Then I'll draw another line from the midpoint of this circle extending downwards at a distance of 65 units and hit enter. Then press enter to end the line command. Then I'll select the three circles, CO for copy, base point would be this, and I'll bring it to the end of this line and I'll hit enter to end the copy command. Then I'll use the line command and draw one line quadrantial to this, again line command, tangential to this and tangential to this, and another line command, tangential to this and tangential to this. Then I'll use the trim command, hit enter and trim the extra blank lines which I no longer need them. And I will also erase the reference lines which I don't need them. So this line I'll erase it, and this line, and hit enter. Then I'll use the fillet command, F for fillet, R for radius, and radius I'll give as 30 units. Then click on this circle and this circle. Again fillet, click on this circle and this circle. Again fillet, click on this circle and this circle. Enter. Then I'll use the trim command and I'll erase the inner circles this way. And hit enter to come out of the trim command. Then I'll select the entire geometry and I'll select the line thickness from here to 0.30. Escape. Then I'll press CM for center mark and draw one center mark here, center mark here, and center mark here. Escape. Then I'll change the color of the center mark. So I select the center marks this way and change their color to red. And then we'll proceed with dimensioning. So we'll select linear dimensioning, center point of this circle to center point of this circle, and it is 65 units. Again linear dimensioning, center point of this circle, center point of this circle, 65 units. Then we'll select radius and we'll click here. Radius 30. Again we'll click here. Radius 30. And again we'll click here. Radius 30. Then again we'll select radius and click here. And radius 15, and then double click it to edit it and just type R15 into 3 and close the text editor. And then for this innermost circle we'll use diameter. We'll click on this and double click and give 20 dia into 3 and close the text editor, and then go for radius dimensioning and click over here and double click R20 into 3 and close editor, and we are done. So friends, with this we finish this geometry. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.